Oh no, the hiccups. Again. Why is my body betraying me? Tip 1, hold your breath like you're about to dive into drama. Deep inhale, and pray. Drink a glass of cold water like it's a magic potion. Slowly, don't choke, or do. Maybe that'll help too. Take a spoonful of sugar and just eat it, not for the taste, for science. And hiccups, mostly hiccups. Ask your friend to scare you, just not too hard. We're trying to stop hiccups, not start therapy. Bite a lemon or take a sip of vinegar, it's disgusting, which is why it works. Breathe into a paper bag, not plastic. We want to cure hiccups, not pass out. If it lasts more than 2 days, go see a doctor, buddy. That's not a hiccup, that's a side quest. Subscribe for weird health hacks.